Automate lead generation with AI tools in 3 easy steps. AnyBiz. Discover how AnyBiz, a leader in AI-driven platforms, is revolutionizing the way businesses generate leads. AnyBiz enhances sales by automating tedious tasks involved in prospecting and engaging potential clients using state-of-the-art AI. Automating lead generation offers efficiency, scalability, cost-effectiveness, consistent lead nurturing, and enhanced personalization. It's a game changer in today's competitive landscape, streamlining processes and maximizing results. Automation boosts lead quality by pinpointing ideal prospects through AI analysis, scoring leads for conversion potential, segmenting them for tailored outreach, and employing predictive analytics to optimize marketing efforts. AI's adaptability drives continuous improvement in lead generation, refining techniques for better targeting and enhanced lead quality. With automation, businesses not only optimize processes, but also attract highly qualified leads, increasing conversion potential through advanced algorithms and data analysis. Top tools to automate lead generation. AnyBiz redefines lead generation with cutting-edge automation and AI-driven personalization, offering unmatched efficiency and effectiveness. With multi-channel outreach, smart decision-making, scalability, and seamless CRM integration, AnyBiz empowers businesses to succeed in the digital era by engaging prospects intelligently and sealing deals swiftly. OptinMonster maximizes conversions by capturing abandoning visitors and turning them into subscribers and customers. With exit intent technology, diverse campaign types, personalized targeting, A/B testing, and real-time analytics, it's a powerhouse for optimizing conversion rate strategies. Bravo, your all-in-one digital marketing solution. Craft professional emails, reach clients via SMS, automate campaigns, integrate CRM, and manage transactional emails effortlessly. Simplify your marketing with Bravo. Constant Contact, the go-to solution for small businesses' email marketing needs. Access customizable templates, streamline contact management, automate emails, track performance, and manage events seamlessly. Simplify your marketing with Constant Contact. How to automate lead generation with AnyBiz in 3 easy steps. AnyBiz, revolutionizing lead generation with AI. Automate sales tasks, boost productivity, and engage prospects intelligently with customized multi-channel outreach. Transform your approach with AnyBiz. 3 easy steps on anybiz.io. Step 1. Sign up. Start automating your lead generation with AnyBiz by signing up on the anybiz.io platform. The process is simple, requiring basic business information to create your account. Once signed up, access the dashboard to configure settings and preferences effortlessly. Step 2. Choose an AI agent. Select from AnyBiz's range of AI agents tailored to industry standards and business needs. Explore agent features and choose based on alignment with your goals. These agents handle tasks like email outreach, lead qualification, and initial communications for optimal effectiveness. Step 3. Enter necessary business information. Once you have chosen your AI agent, you will need to enter essential information about your business to tailor the AI's activities. Your website, persona, who you are looking for, your offering, meeting link, phone number, notifications. After setup, simply launch the AI agent. It engages with prospects via emails and LinkedIn based on your criteria, performing tasks like sending messages, scheduling meetings, and following up with leads. AnyBiz doesn't stop at lead generation. It boosts brand visibility with strategic content distribution and tracks website visitors in real time. Operating across multiple channels like email, LinkedIn, and Twitter, it maximizes lead engagement and conversion rates. In summary, leveraging AI technology such as AnyBiz streamlines lead generation with unprecedented personalization and efficiency. Adopting these tools now offers a competitive advantage, paving the way for more effective sales and marketing strategies and ultimately boosting profitability. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support, like, and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.